What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be showing you how to turn always on display on and off on the Samsung Galaxy S8. Always on display is nice because it is really easy to see the date, time, and a few other things without needing to really touch your phone. I myself don't really use it simply because I really don't ever need it, and I can save a little bit of battery without it. So I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can turn it on and off. Method 1 is probably the easiest, so what you can do is pull down the notification panel twice to open the full menu, and most Samsung phones have always on display as a default option, either right here or on the next page. In my case, it is on the next page. So all you have to do is tap it, it lights up blue, and now always on display is indeed on. To turn it off, you just do the same thing and click it again. Method 2 is again right here on the notification panel. You can click the words always on display, and now you have a toggle here that you can use to turn it on and off, as well as a few settings. For method 3, you are going to pull down the notification panel and hit the magnifying glass, and then you are going to proceed to type always on display and hit search. And now you see right here we have a little settings block with always on display as the top option, and if you click that, right here you have the toggle with a few different settings, and if you click on that, you again have a toggle and a few other settings. For method 4, you are going to pull the notification panel down, click the settings gear, and you are going to again hit the magnifying glass and type always. And now you see the first option here is always on display, so you're just going to click that, and we come to the same page as the previous method. And finally, the last method, you are going to pull down the notification panel, hit the settings gear, scroll down to lock screen, and again we have the same page as the last 2 methods. I like to show all methods since different people have different preferences on how to use their devices. So that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.